MVPvets is a veteran nonprofit focused on advising and assisting transitioning veterans into meaningful careers within the life sciences, which is defined as the medical technology, biotechnology, and pharmaceutical industries. We run a series of veteran workshops that, with veteran and civilian mentors, help veterans explore the various jobs and career opportunities that the life science has to offer and show them the value that they can provide.
Veterans are very helpful to culture because they believe in service, they believe in a purpose. They do know the difference between management and leadership, and those are things that we have to have in any organization. And I think they really understand when to adapt and when to execute, and those are things that any company needs if they want to continue to get better.
Mike Minogue is the founder of MVPvets, and so there's no better place to start the campaign to bring veterans into the life sciences than right here with our long-term and stalwart partner, Abiomed. We serve with a purpose. We're mission focused, and we have a calling to be a part of something bigger than ourselves and to serve others. We took veterans through a tour of our partner's facility here at Abiomed, so they actually see firsthand how a life science company runs.
This is great because I'm a retired veteran, and one thing that I didn't have over the 20 years is what I'm experiencing right now.
Identifying possible career paths that I didn't know existed. It's tremendously valuable.
A workshop like this, it really helped put everything into perspective, how to take your skills from the military and then translate it into a real world and actually help you be more successful.
The first panel is from veteran employees or associates here at Abiomed, and they share their personal stories of transition. Many of the veterans in attendance today, they need to know that they're not alone and understand how people achieved the end state of finding a meaningful career.
The last session was a hiring panel. So they had a couple of recruiters, a couple of hiring managers to kind of tell us what it is that they look for, what preparation we should do to make sure we're successful. It's all about finding what is the best fit for me, and then once I do that, how do I express that and make sure your best self comes across?
So the cornerstone of MVPvets is mentorship. And part of the program too is that veterans have one-on-one time with their designated mentor. And during that time, they can talk through interviews, they can talk about their resume, they can then share on a much more personal level their concerns. It's really that interpersonal and that human-to-human contact that makes all the difference within the MVPvets program.
It's a tough journey, won't lie to you, but it's a worthwhile journey.
The opportunity to continue to serve my fellow veterans is phenomenal. We're passionate about it. We're passionate about continuing to serve those that serve and place the meaning behind the words, "Thank you for your service."